Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today's post is to share with you my browse through of the July 2018 issue of BurdaStyle Sewing Magazine. Now unfortunately this magazine arrived late through my letterbox. I did chase up my subscription service provider and they said that they had a few problems with the supplier, but better late than never. So I literally received this through my letterbox today, this morning, and I've spent most of the afternoon working on this browse through. I gotta say, there are a few patterns that I'm definitely in love with, and I can't wait to tell you which items I'm going to be sewing for my hashtag Burda Challenge 2018. So that's it guys, that is the browse through. And in terms of what I'm actually going to be sewing from this particular issue, I've chosen to make some trousers for my son. So style number 130 is just a simple pair of pull-on cotton trousers with a very interesting asymmetrical crotch detail where you have buttons, and I think that my second son would absolutely love this style of trousers. So the recommended fabrics for this actual pattern is cotton or cotton blends. So using my BurdaStyle planner, which I have been faithfully using since January, I've actually chosen to use this Liberty Arts cotton fabric in grey, which I bought from Fletcher's Fabrics in Leeds Market well over 3 years ago. I've been incredibly precious about this fabric because it's a Liberty Arts cotton fabric, but I think that it's quite suitable for this particular make because it is a thick quilting cotton. The next one is a cropped wrap top, which I think will be quite easy to make because it doesn't have any buttons or zips or any closures, and I think it will be a very cute staple to add to my wardrobe. It looks like something that would go with everything from trousers to skirts. In terms of fabrics, I am going to use this red viscose jersey, which was left over from a Simplicity S8046 top that I made, but it's got a really wonderful drape, and I think it's just going to be perfect for this particular pattern. So that's what I have to share with you today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've stayed until this far, you are a superhero and you rock. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to come back with my next video where I show you some of the things that I have been sewing. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe for new sewing related videos every week, and until I see you next time, keep smiling and keep sewing. Bye.